So day 3 is Bobblin Along, which is really similar to day 1. So as always, I started with a single crochet row to start everything over, and we're just going to start the whole thing with a row of double crochet. So in every stitch across, just double crochet, which is yarn over, insert into hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And you'll do that all the way across the row. So yarn over, pull through 2 more. And this will get you your first foundation row, which is going to be double crochet. And there is your double crochet row. So now from there, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to, very similarly to our bubbles from day 1, we're going to single crochet into the first 1 stitch and 2 stitch. And then now we're going to bobble, which is yarn over, insert into hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull over 2 loops, yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 more loops, all the way until we have 6 final loops on our hook, just like we did on day 1. And then we're going to pull through all 6 loops on our hook, and then we're going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches this time. So 1, 2, 3, and then we will bobble again. So do this all the way to the end of the row. So here we are at the end of the row. Then we're going to chain 2, turn our work, and that's what that front row looks like. So you can see the double crochet row and then your bobble row. But now we're going to double crochet in every stitch across the row, just like we did on our first row. And here we are at the end of that row. So now we turned our work, we've already chained 1, and we're going to single crochet, this time 3 times. Again, we're going to alternate the bobbles here. So 3 times, which moves it away from the previous bobble. Insert and bobble here. Remember to get with 6 loops on your hook at the very end of your bobble for this particular pattern. Pull through all 6 loops and then single crochet into the next 3. And very similar to that first time, we just bobble all the way across the row. So here's what it looks like with those 2 rows. We'll do one more round. So that was first round. You can see they're much tighter together. And then in this one, because we have the double crochet in between, they're a lot more spaced out. So depending on what you want your particular project to look like, you could choose to do a much tighter like day 1 or a little bit looser like day 2. And this is it. So double crochet row, bobble row, double crochet row, bobble row, and I finished it with a double crochet row.